Die empty. Mr. Mufareh has used his idea to bring a financial revolution in the world. He did not keep his idea to benefit himself but shared it to uplift society and bring happiness in the lives of millions. One of the most beautiful articles that I have read is in a book called Die Empty by Todd Henry. The author was inspired and got this idea of writing this book while attending a business meeting when the director asked the audience, "Where is the richest land in the world?" One of the audience answered, "Oil-rich Gulf states." Another added, "Diamond mines in Africa." Then the director said, "No. It is the cemetery. Yes, it is the richest land in the world, because millions of people have departed from it, they have died, and they carry many valuable ideas that did not come to light and benefited others. It is all in the cemetery where they are buried." Inspired by this answer, Todd Henry wrote his wonderful book, Die Empty, where he did his best to motivate people to pour out their ideas and potential energies in their communities and turn them into something useful before it is too late. The most beautiful part of what he said in his book is that, do not go to your grave and carry inside you the best that you have, always choose to die empty. Die empty is a new expression and unique in its own way. At first glance you will think it is not normal. But I was surprised to know the true meaning of this new expression. It is to die empty of all the goodness that is within you. Deliver it before you leave this world. If you have an idea, perform it. If you have knowledge, give it out. If you have a goal, achieve it. Love, share and distribute, do not keep it inside. Do not keep the goodness inside of you, and die full of ideas and be a delicious meal for the earthworms in the grave. Most of us live with the stubborn idea that we will always have tomorrow. But sooner or later all of our tomorrows will run out. Are you empty? I think we all weigh thousands of tons with goodness, creativity, love and hope that we can give. We have not given all of it, only a little. How I wish that we start the race to give and remove every atom of goodness inside us. We should learn how to find and sustain our passion and creativity, even in tough times. Ash has shared all his ideas, goodness, creativity, passion, love, hope and knowledge to make this world the best place. Thank you, Ash, from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. Dr. Idris Modi. A Bill Must production.